Only 4 pieces can fit into the tray at one time, but there are over 40 combinations to fit all of these pieces into the tray. They set out the combinations on here. You just have to follow these symbols to fit all 4 pieces into the tray. This puzzle is designed by Jean-Claude Constantin and is a level 8 on the scale that runs from 5 to 10 for difficulty. And today I'm going to start off by fitting these 4 pieces into the tray. We have a U-like shape, a W shape, a P, and this funny shape here. So if we just start by packing a couple of the pieces in like this, we can try take a third piece and pack it into the tray, but you can see it doesn't quite fit a third piece across lengthwise. And if you try to just flip it up like this, we have no way to get this W into the tray. To get the only 4 packing puzzle for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca. And we have to actually start by thinking about this puzzle in a different way and start by putting some of these pieces on their side and figuring out how we're going to fit all 4 of these pieces into the tray. So if we just put these pieces in like this, there's still no way to get that 4th piece into the tray. So instead, if we take this piece, we can start by placing it up here. Next, we can take this P and sit it beside that, and then you can see we're starting to find a pattern that follows along the edge of the tray. Then we can take this piece and place it in over here, and finally this last piece can complete the tray. Which 4 pieces do you think I should try for next? And to see other cool puzzle solves like this, click this video right here.